Hello and welcome back to Surgeon Facts, where we dig deep into history's mysteries and serve them up with a side of humor. Today, we're diving into one of the 20th century's most mind-boggling events, the Tunguska Event of 1908. This incident has baffled scientists and history buffs alike for over a century. So strap in and get ready for a wild ride through the Siberian wilderness as we uncover the secrets of this explosive mystery. Fact #1 The Mysterious Explosion. On June 30, 1908, a colossal explosion rocked the remote Tunguska region in Siberia, Russia. This event is one of the largest impacts in recorded history, releasing energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. That's about 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The explosion flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers. Yet, despite the magnitude of this event, there were no confirmed human casualties, which is quite a stroke of luck considering the sheer scale of the blast. Fact #2 No Crater Mystery. Oddly enough, the Tunguska event didn't leave behind a crater, which is unusual for an impact of such magnitude. This has led to various theories about what caused the explosion. Initially, scientists thought it was a meteorite impact, but the lack of a crater turned their attention to other possibilities, like a comet. Comets, primarily composed of ice, could have exploded in the atmosphere and evaporated before hitting the ground, thus explaining the absence of a crater. Fact #3 Eyewitness Accounts. The few eyewitness accounts of the Tunguska event describe a fireball in the sky, brighter than the sun, followed by a series of booms and a shockwave that knocked people off their feet. These accounts, combined with the vast area of flattened forest, suggest an explosion occurred in the air rather than on the ground. This aerial explosion theory aligns with the comet hypothesis and helps explain the lack of an impact crater. Fact #4 Scientific Investigations. Over the years, numerous scientific expeditions have ventured into the Tunguska region to study the event. They found microscopic glass spheres in the soil and tree resin, indicating a high-temperature event. While these findings support the aerial explosion theory, they don't pinpoint the exact nature of the object that exploded. Was it a comet, a meteor, or something else? The debate continues. Fact #5 Theories abound. Apart from the comet and meteor theories, some more outlandish ideas have surfaced over the years. These include a black hole passing through Earth, an antimatter collision, and even extraterrestrial activity. While these theories make for great sci-fi material, they lack substantial evidence and are generally considered fringe theories by the scientific community. Fact #6 Impact on the Environment. The Tunguska event's impact on the environment was both dramatic and unique. The explosion caused what's known as a butterfly effect in the area. The shockwave was so powerful that it registered on seismic stations across Eurasia. It also caused fluctuations in atmospheric pressure strong enough to be detected in Great Britain. The explosion's aftermath created night skies so bright over Asia and Europe that people could read newspapers outdoors at midnight. This strange phenomenon was likely caused by atmospheric particles reflecting sunlight, a testament to the event's far-reaching impact. Fact #7 The Role of Scientific Research. Scientific research has played a crucial role in understanding the Tunguska event. In the decades following the explosion, teams of researchers, including mineralogists, foresters, soil scientists, and other specialists, have conducted extensive studies in the area. Their work has helped piece together the event's timeline and characteristics, offering invaluable insights into the nature of large-scale explosions and their environmental impact. These findings not only shed light on the Tunguska mystery, but also help in preparing for potential future asteroid impacts. Fact #8 The Influence on Popular Culture. The Tunguska event has captivated the imagination of people worldwide, influencing popular culture in various ways. It's been featured in books, movies, television shows, and video games, often as a source of speculative fiction and conspiracy theories. This event's mysterious nature provides a perfect backdrop for stories involving time travel, alien invasions, and secret government experiments. It's a fine example of how real-life mysteries can fuel creativity and fascination across different mediums. Fact #9 Technological Advancements. The investigation of the Tunguska Event has also spurred technological advancements in asteroid detection and impact prevention. The event highlighted the potential dangers posed by objects from space, leading to increased interest and investment in space surveillance systems. Today, organizations like NASA and ESA have dedicated programs for tracking near-Earth objects, NEOs, ensuring that if another Tunguska-like object heads our way, we'll be better prepared to detect and potentially deflect it. Thanks to the Tunguska Event, asteroid impact prevention has become a significant field of study in planetary defense strategies. Fact #10 The Ongoing Mystery. Despite over a century of research and scientific exploration, the Tunguska Event remains an enigma. While the most widely accepted theory is that it was caused by an airburst of a comet or an asteroid, the lack of definitive evidence keeps the door open for other possibilities. This enduring mystery serves as a reminder of the vast unknowns in our universe and the continuous quest for knowledge. It's a puzzle that generations of scientists have tried to solve, and who knows, maybe one of our viewers will be the one to finally crack it. Fact #11 The Witness's Perspective. The Tunguska Event was witnessed by a small number of people, given its remote location. Those who did see it described a column of bluish light, nearly as bright as the sun, moving across the sky. Moments later, a massive explosion followed, generating a shockwave that knocked people off their feet and broke windows hundreds of kilometers away. This first-hand account adds a human element to the event, painting a picture of awe and terror as people struggled to comprehend the force of nature they had just witnessed. Fact #12 The Effect on Global Climate. Interestingly, the Tunguska Event may have had a temporary effect on global climate. The explosion released an immense amount of energy into the atmosphere, potentially causing atmospheric changes. Some studies suggest that the event led to a slight increase in global temperatures and an increase in night brightness in the following years. This serves as a real-world example of how extraterrestrial events, even those occurring in remote parts of the world, can have a global impact. Fact #13 The Significance in Astronomical Studies. The Tunguska Event holds significant importance in astronomical studies. It serves as a benchmark for understanding the potential consequences of Earth being hit by a celestial body. The event's scale and impact have provided valuable data for scientists modeling asteroid impacts and assessing the potential risks to Earth. It's a sobering reminder of our planet's vulnerability to cosmic forces and the importance of ongoing research in this field. Fact #14 The Influence on Russian Folklore. In the years following the Tunguska Event, it became a part of local folklore in Siberia. Stories and legends sprang up, some interpreting the event as a visitation by gods or a punishment from the heavens. These tales reflect the deep impression the event left on the local culture and the human tendency to seek explanations in the face of unexplainable phenomena. The Tunguska Event, thus, is not just a scientific enigma, but also a rich source of cultural and folklore studies. Fact #15 The Link to Leonid Kuliks Expeditions. Leonid Kulik, a Russian mineralogist, led the first scientific expedition to the Tunguska site in 1927, almost 2 decades after the event. His work laid the foundation for all future Tunguska research. Despite challenging conditions, Kulik and his team documented the explosion's effects extensively, collecting samples and testimonies. Kulik's dedication and pioneering work in the harsh Siberian wilderness underscore the human spirit's resilience and curiosity in the quest for knowledge. Fact #16 The Environmental Recovery. The recovery of the Tunguska region's environment is a testament to nature's resilience. Over a century later, the once devastated area is now a thriving forest. However, the regrowth has been uneven, and scientists have used this as an opportunity to study ecological recovery after large-scale disruptions. The Tunguska Event has thus provided invaluable insights into forest regeneration and the long-term effects of explosive events on ecosystems. Fact #17. The role of amateur researchers. The Tunguska Event has attracted not only professional scientists, but also amateur researchers and enthusiasts. These individuals have contributed significantly to the pool of research, offering fresh perspectives and theories. Their involvement highlights the universal appeal of scientific mysteries and the important role that passionate amateurs can play in the pursuit of knowledge. Fact #18. The impact on aerospace engineering. Insights gained from studying the Tunguska Event have impacted aerospace engineering, particularly in the development of spacecraft capable of withstanding high-pressure environments. Understanding the physics of high-velocity impacts and explosions is crucial for designing spacecraft that can endure the rigors of space travel, including potential collisions with small meteoroids. Fact #19. The connection to astrophysics. The Tunguska Event also holds a special place in the field of astrophysics. It has prompted discussions about the nature of comets and asteroids and their interactions with Earth's atmosphere. This event has helped refine our understanding of these celestial bodies, contributing to the broader knowledge base in astrophysics and planetary science. Fact #20. The challenge in disaster preparedness. The Tunguska Event underscores the challenges in preparing for and mitigating natural disasters of cosmic origin. It serves as a case study in the unpredictability and potential devastation of such events, highlighting the need for ongoing research and preparedness in the face of cosmic threats. Fact #21. The psychological impact. The Tunguska Event also had a significant psychological impact on those who lived near the explosion site. The event was so extraordinary and terrifying that it left a lasting impression on local communities. It stands as an example of how extraordinary natural events can shape local cultures and beliefs, influencing generations long after the event itself has passed. Fact #22. The role of international collaboration. The study of the Tunguska Event has benefited from international collaboration. Scientists from around the world have contributed to the research, bringing diverse expertise and perspectives. This global scientific cooperation exemplifies how solving complex mysteries often requires pooling resources and knowledge from different countries and disciplines. Fact #23. The advancements in geological studies. Research into the Tunguska Event has advanced geological studies, particularly in the field of impact research. By analyzing soil samples and the pattern of tree fall, geologists have gained insights into the mechanics of shock waves and the effects of large impacts on the Earth's surface. This research is not only relevant to understanding the Tunguska Event, but also applicable to studying other impact events throughout Earth's history. Fact #24. The interest in space exploration. The Tunguska Event has played a role in sparking public interest in space exploration and astronomy. The mystery surrounding the event and its dramatic effects have captured the public's imagination, highlighting the importance of studying our cosmic environment. This interest is crucial for the support of space missions and research, which in turn expands our understanding of the universe. Fact #25. The legacy of Tunguska. The Tunguska Event's legacy extends beyond the scientific community. It serves as a reminder of the dynamic and sometimes dangerous nature of our universe. The event is a call to continually explore and understand our surroundings, both near and far. It stands as a symbol of the endless quest for knowledge and the human spirit's resilience in the face of the unknown. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the Tunguska Event, a story of cosmic intrigue and earthly resilience. From a forest in Siberia to the forefront of space science, this event has echoed through time, reminding us of the mysteries that lie beyond our atmosphere. Thanks for joining me, Sergeant Fax, on this journey through one of history's most explosive tales. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures in history, and share this video to spread the wonder. Until next time, keep your eyes to the sky and your mind open to the endless possibilities of our universe. Dismissed.